guys, thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I have my very first Thredup Goody Box to share with you. And spoiler alert, it's a doozy. If this sounds like something interesting to you, then just keep watching. My name is Theresa. I'm so glad that you're here. Now let's get started. Now you know how most of the styling services have themed boxes? You can get an activewear theme or a weekend theme or a work theme. I am wondering if Thredup has a prank box because I'm pretty sure that's what I got. Something else that I noticed the first time that I used Thredup, the time that I picked out my own pieces, is that the boxes they ship in are extremely flimsy. Both times the boxes barely made it to me intact. And in fact, I'm going to have to reinforce and rebuild this box before I send the pieces back. Now, even if we were not in the middle of a pandemic, this is just not something that I would gravitate toward. Even if I were going out for New Year's Eve, this would not be what I would choose to wear. It is uncomfortable and it is scratchy. It's also ill-fitting, but I will tell you the couple of things that I like about it. I like the blue color that is in it. I like the illusion effect with the flesh tone fabric. This is by the brand Neiman Marcus. This is a size medium. It is new with tags and it originally sold for $79. The Thredup price for this is $20.99. I'm sure that this would look lovely on the right person. I am not that person. Now, if this happened to be your style and you had somewhere to wear it, that is a good price for a formal piece, but this is not staying with me. The next piece is this top by Express. This would have sold for $60. The Thredup price is $15.99. This one also is new with tags, and I do appreciate that. This is cropped and it has no give. It was a little tight at the hip line. And overall, I like the style and the color, but it is way too short. It is very sheer. This top has a keyhole on the front and a pretty flouncy detail. I also like the sleeves. I thought they were cute, but because it's so cropped, I'm feeling like this is looking way too young for me. Let me know in the comments down below. I do like the color combination. I think that's pretty, but the fact that it's polyester and cropped and is reading a little bit young, I just don't know about this one. This next top is by Max Studio London. It was originally $98 and it is new with tags. The Thredup price is $24.99. I love the color and I often love a sleeve with detail. This had a lot of detail. As soon as I put this top on, I immediately thought of the Seinfeld episode where Jerry wears a puffy shirt. This is made so similarly. It is also polyester and has no give to speak of. This top has some cute details, but as a whole it didn't work for me. When I tied it at the neck, it was too tight. When I untied it, it looked sloppy. There's just ruffles everywhere. I just can't see me keeping this. What do you think of it? The next top is by the brand Who What Wear. It is a size medium. The original price on this would have been $36. The Thredup price is $13.99, so not a bad price. I can tell to feel this that this is polyester. It has lots and lots of ruffles. Little Miss Muffet called She Wants Her Tuffet Back. This is one of the most ruffly tops I have ever seen. It's kind of cute. Is this cute? I don't know. I can't even tell. Let me know what you think of this top. The next piece is this top by Cable and Gauge. This is new with tags. It is a size medium. It would have originally sold for $48 and the Thredup price is $16.99. There is so much I like about this top, but unfortunately it didn't work for me. I like the neckline. I like the gathering that you see on the chest, and the color is beautiful. It was so clingy. It showed every lump and every bump. I love the color of it and I love the concept of it, but I have to pass on this top. The next piece is this pretty floral top. This is 100% polyester. I really like the colors in this with the orange and the pink and the white background. This is by the brand Cynthia Steffe. This is a size small. This was originally $128. The Thredup price is $22.99. So I will say that if you like this brand, that is probably a bargain. I actually think that the ruffled detail on the sleeves and around the neck is very pretty. This fit a little bit boxy, so I also tried it with a front tuck. I also found that it was see-through and I could actually see my belly button through the top. Not the biggest fan of that look. When I front tucked it, it put just enough fabric here so that you couldn't see my skin. I'm actually curious what you think about this top. When I pulled this little number out of the box, once I regained my composure from laughing out loud, I thought, ruh-roh, I need to show this on because I show everything that I receive. This dress is by BCBG Generation. It is a size 6 and it was originally $118 and it's considered a cocktail dress. The Thredup price on this is $27.99 and the worst part is I'm going to show it to you on. So if you don't want to see this, look away now. I'm going to point out my observations about this dress. I am none of the following. I am not 20 years old. I am not a Starfleet commander. I am not one of the Jetsons. And I am not a backup dancer for Britney Spears. What were they thinking when they sent this dress to me? I am 57 years old. It is bodycon. It is too short. It has mesh that shows all of the areas I don't want to show. Now, to be fair, the back is not as open as it appears to be. I also couldn't get this zipped up. So not only did I receive a club dress for a 20-year-old, my self-esteem also took a hit because it didn't even fit. With that said, even if it did fit properly, the Jetson dress is a hard pass for me. The next piece is this dress by Banana Republic. This was originally $70 and the Thredup price is $20.99. In theory, I like this dress. In practice, not so much. I think that the color is beautiful. I love this vibrant blue with the white flowers on the background. This is a very heavy, scratchy polyester. In addition to that, unless I held my stomach in and stood up perfectly tall, I had quite the pooch with this dress. This was pulling at all the wrong places. I could feel it tugging at the belly area, and when I saw it from the side, I could definitely see a pooch. This dress did me no favors, and for that reason, I'm going to pass on it. This dress is the most expensive piece in this entire Thredup box. This was originally $167, and even the Thredup price is $37.99, which is high, but I realized that it had a really high starting price. This is by a brand I personally had never heard of, Laundry by Shelly. It is a size 6. I really like the colors in this. It was pretty low cut though. It is lined and I think the length was okay. As a point of reference, I am 5'4". I'm curious to see what you think of this dress. This dress does have gathering right below the bust that gives a little bit of a camouflage action in the belly area, and this is a detail that I often look for in tops and dresses, so I was a fan of that. This is what the back looks like, and I really do like the halter cut on this. It's not too bare, it just gives a really nice shape. I'm looking at the way this dress is constructed, and I am no seamstress by any stretch of the imagination, but I almost feel like I could sew the top by about 2 inches or put a modesty snap so that it isn't so low cut. But before I even go through all that, I really need your help. Would you keep this dress? Let me know in the comments down below. The final piece in the box is this dress by American Living. I actually have a couple of dresses by this brand, and I find that they are extremely well made and classic in design. This one is new with tags. It was originally $90. The Thredup price is $23.99. There's so much that I like about this dress. I like the neckline. I like the V in the back as well. I think that the colors are beautiful and it does have some ruching, but once again, this hit me in all the wrong places. This dress is a size 8 and I was not comfortable with the way this fit in the belly area either. It's a shame because otherwise I think it is such a pretty dress. It has a black background and then gray purple and fuchsia all through it. I think that the pattern is pretty, the colors are pretty. I really like the concept. The fit was just off for me. I'm really curious if any of you have ordered a Goody Box and been really happy with what you received. Is this just an anomaly? Should I try it again? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for taking time out of your busy day to spend with me. I truly appreciate it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and also consider hitting that subscribe and notification bell. That way you'll see my future videos. Until next time, bye guys. The next piece is this dress by Banana Republic. The next top is by the brand Who What Wear. It is a size medium. It was originally, I can't remember. I just looked at the pricing. Hold that thought.